What's happening with you, team? Boom. It's the man, this motherfucker, you know. Motherfucker gonna jump in the wildin' out room and wild the fuck out for real, you know. Gonna really start some controversy, some beef. It really just inspired me, man. I said, let me pull my camera out and make a video. Shit, so I want to do a couple shout outs. I got my list here to my right tick. Let me see the list real quick. Turn it back. I want to give a shout out to JoJo Badass. Without you, we wouldn't make it. You know, your kind, y'all keep us going and thriving, and we just keep doing so much better. Just thanks to you guys, Robert McLaren, Kevin Flowers, Bobby. All you guys, anybody I missed, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wouldn't be in office if it wasn't for people like you who trash talked and said the mayor could never make it and he gonna raise taxes and he's not really speaking the truth. But I was being real with the people, and all of those who came out and voted for me, it wasn't because of what I said, it was because of you. The haters, the motherfuckers that keep us going. So, this one's to you. Hey, Chick, let me get a lighter, man. Tater tots!